Hi everyone, it's the end of the month, which means
It's time for our community update.
where we share with you what we've been working on here at Plandora for the past month. So without wasting any more time, shall we?
Sure, let's go.
Let's go.
First of all, I'm gonna share with you 4 basic blocks that we have worked on in the past month. The text notes, checklist, image, and attachments. For text blocks, we can use it for important information like your accommodation details, text-based information that you find it's really important to include in a travel plan. For the checklist, you can use it for your own to-dos or even your packing list as well. For image and attachments, you can upload any images or files that you find helpful. Examples like must-take Instagrammable shots, or it could be any food-related photos like food to try. For example, it could be your accommodation booking details, it could be your flight booking details, or even like any sort of like reservation details. So basically, travel planners can just upload whichever images that they find it really helpful. And most importantly, all of these blocks, they are very modular. Think of blocks like your Lego bricks, which allows you to move wherever you want, depending how you would want your travel plan to look like. We spoke to a lot of travel planners. Most of them, they build their travel plan differently, right? The principle behind blocks is that we want to see how can we use blocks to give them the flexibility to build their plan differently based on their needs. And the second thing that we have worked on is a map view. By clicking on the map view, we translate the entire travel itinerary into a map view, which allow you to have a bird's eye view about all the places that you are going. We know that map view is really important for travel planners because they need some form of directional elements in their travel plan. We want to know what are the places that I'm visiting and where are they located at. Are they very far away or are they very close to each other, right? And if you want to go into more details, you can actually click on Spotlight, select a specific day. From here, you are able to know all the places that you are going in more detail, including a show route version as well. When it comes to Spotlight, some people they prefer to have an overview. It could be an overview of locations from day 1 to day 14, for example. Or you can even like zoom in and focus on a specific day. Within that day, then you can see what are all the places that you are visiting on that day and where are all these locations located at. From point A to point B, you just need to take a few minutes walk. And how do you walk from here to there? That's the whole reason behind Spotlight feature.
So that's all for our October updates. Can we know what's to come in November? Like a hint?
Sure. One of the things that I can share is that a lot of people out there who love traveling, but they are not really sure like how to kickstart their travel planning, right? We actually have something for you guys.
A new feature?
Yes, a new feature.
Okay, so I guess you'll have to stick around to find out what that is in the next community update.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. And also follow and subscribe if you would like to keep up with Plandora. Sign up for the waitlist, guys, because you can only access the website if you have the code. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you and see you in the next video.
Bye! Hi everyone, it's the end of the month, which means
It's time for our community updates.
community.
Community.
Community.